Emotions are beautiful, but it can also be blinding. Emotions are good because it can make you go the extra mile for your special someone. It can also allow you to empathize. It can allow you to feel things for people. Maganda yung emotions. But the thing is, yung emotions, it can also blind us from reality. It can blind us from the truth. Because I believe the heart is deceitful above all else. Kaya napaka-importante na i-embrace ang emotions, pero dapat may mga tao na nasa paligid mo para kung sakali na cloud na ang judgment mo dahil sa emotions, naging emotionally high ka, may mga taong ituturo sa'yo kung paano pumunta sa tamang direksyon. Nakakabulag kasi talaga ang emotions. Kaya nga, di ba, sabi nila,